The first evolution of aerospace was.
I can get rid of Browning.
Okay, George Cayley's glider, and it was the first real glider, and it was created in 1853 by George Cayley. And it was it led to it allowed the Wright brothers to create the next flying machine, which was created in 1903, and it also it led to advancements.
UCLA would be dope.
Yeah, that's a nice school. The next one is Wright Model R, which was the first prop airplane powered by biplane powered by propellers, and it was created by the Wright brothers, and it would also lead to the standard prop planes used in World War I. And then comes the LZ-1 Zeppelin, and this was created by Ferdinand von Zeppelin in the 1900s, and it was made possible by the hot air balloons and propeller engines, and it would lead to its use in World War I by the Germans. World War II spurred incredible advancements in all fields, but in the this aerospace field, it allowed for specialized monoprop planes such as the fighter planes like the Spitfire or like the bombers. And it also led to the experimental types of fighters and stealth planes powered by jet technology. The H-4 Hercules, this was created in 1947 by Howard Hughes, but it was never used in World War II because it was completed too late. It was also it is also the heaviest and biggest flying boat ever in history. The next one is Heinkel 178, and it was created by Germany out of the preparation for World War II, and it was created by Hans von Ohain, and it was made in order to introduce jet power fighters late into the war, and it led to the introduction of the Me-262 jet fighter. Next one is Sputnik 1, and it was the first artificial satellite to be launched into space.
Are you doing aerospace?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. It was launched in 1957, and it was created by Soviet engineer Mikhail S. Kamiyako and it was created out of the advantages it would give the USSR during the Cold War, and it sparked the space race. Next one is Apollo 11.
Most like to work?
It was the U.S. response to the Sputnik, and it was the first shuttle that landed people on the moon, and allowed for planetary landings and things like that. The last is the International Space Station, and this was the joint work of various countries that were able to create a station that orbits the Earth. And it was developed in 1998 by NASA and other countries, and it led to more additions to the station.